Once upon a whirl and a giggle, in a cozy town, where the wind whispered bedtime rhymes and the trees rustled with fairy dust, lived two best friends, Selene and Marietta. Selene wore a flowing floral purple dress, with tiny sparkling petals sewn into the sleeves. Marietta twirled in a bright pink dress with polka dots, like strawberry icing dotted with sprinkles. They were as different as moonlight and sunshine, but as close as two pages in the same storybook. One afternoon, while flipping through an ancient fairy tale book at Grandma Lulu's attic, Marietta gasped. "Selene! Look! This page is glowing." Before either of them could blink, dizzy whoosh! Dizzy the book sucked them in with a swirl of sparkles and sound. They landed with a bounce in the land of living fairy tales, where every story ever told danced through the skies like fireflies. But all was not well. A frantic bunny in armor ran up to them. "Oh dear! Oh dear! Fairy tales are falling apart. Heroes are arguing, dragons are crying, and friendships are breaking." Selene stood tall. "We'll help." Marietta gave a brave grin. "We're pretty good at fixing stuff, especially together." The Tower of Two Sisters. Selene and Marietta entered a tall tower where two princesses were trapped. One liked loud pop music, and one loved soft lullabies. They were angry and yelling. "Your music is too noisy." "Well, yours is boring." Selene tried reasoning. Marietta plugged her ears. Then, Selene had an idea. She mixed the music. Pop beats plus lullabies equals a soothing dance party. The sisters giggled and hugged. Friendship Lesson 1: Differences can be fun when you work together. The Dragon and the Knight Who Wouldn't Share. In the next tale, a dragon and a knight were fighting over a golden teacup. "It's mine," they both cried. Marietta pouted. "They're acting like me when I don't want to share my cookies." Selene whispered, "Let's show them how sharing works." The girls set up a tea picnic with 2 cups, and shared cookies with both the dragon and the knight. The two rivals blinked, laughed, and decided to share the teacup and the snacks. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.